I think we should have a Thomson X2 stem discussion. I own several of them. Here's my other one. And in fact, I even bought another one because I like them so much. So this is brand new. I just got this in the mail. So that's I run the 130, 17 degree drop, 130, 120, 17 degree drop. And I also have an X4 right there, which is 130, 10 degree drop. But that's not the discussion. The discussion is the X2. So here's the deal with the X2. And I've had this issue. So you go riding, everything's nice. When you install the stem, it fits the handlebars really tight. Like the machining and everything is legit. It's definitely very, very tight. And the machine works right, the engineering's right. The problem is keeping the screws torqued. Because that's when the issue occurs, is when the screws loosen. So I do freestyle, and a lot of the time my hands are down here on the bars, and I noticed that I had them slipping. They would slip. The whole bar would just turn down at the intersection, in the middle of traffic or whatever. And what was happening was the screws were coming loose up here, and it was breaking free. Well, let me tell you what, a couple things I've learned. First off, I wasn't using, they give you, Thomson gives you Finish Line. The brand is Finish Line. They give you, oh, here we go, it's in this box. Bear with me. I'm pretty sure this is like their fix. They give you the fiber grip. I use the Park Tools, the carbon grip. And guess what? No more issue at all. I've seen people complaining a lot, like, oh my God, my bars keep slipping. I go down a hill. First off, this isn't a mountain bike stem. I'm pretty sure they state it's a road bike stem or a fixed gear stem. So having this on a mountain bike isn't a good idea. Get an X4 stem and you're not gonna have that issue. Look at the faceplate on that one. It's huge. It's totally different ballgame. And not only that, if you just keep these torqued and put fiber grip on it, then there's nothing wrong. My opinion, it's operator error. It's kind of Thomson's error in the beginning for not supplying this because people, out of sight, out of mind, they don't know that if this stuff exists, they have to use it, which is fair. But at the same time, it's operator error. I love these stems. I'm gonna buy more. They're gonna stop making them. I actually talked to someone at Thomson asking how I can get another 130, and they said, oh, we're gonna have a redesign, and oh, it's gonna be a while. So everyone having problems with these stems, I guess we're gonna get a redesign, but I have no issues. I think it's operator error, and I'm sorry if you have problems with your stems. Just keep your bolts tight. Check your bike. That's all.